Math Olympiad question for you all. It's very interesting. Here we have x over y equals a over b equals 2/3, and we are also given y square minus b square equals 27. So we have to find the value of x square minus a square. Now let's work out for this equation. What do we have? Here we have y square minus b square. So we are going to change this equation in terms of this y square and b square. Let's find out. From here I can take x over y is equal to 2/3 and just square both sides. So what do I get? I have x square over y square is equal to 4 over 9, and let me just cross multiply. I just want y square. So from this I get y square is equal to 9x square over 4. Now I've got y square. Let me find out what is b square. So for b square, I'm going to equate this and this. A over b is equal to 2/3. Let's square. A square over b square is equal to 4 over 9. Now I just want b square from this. So b square will be 9a square over 4. So I've got y square and b square. Now what was our equation here? Y square minus b square. So we have y square minus b square is equal to 27. So when I substitute, y square is 9x square over 4 minus b square is 9a square over 4. Now as the denominators are same, I'm going to take that common. 4, I'm left with 9x square minus 9a square. Let me take out 9 common, so I'm left with x square minus a square over 4, and which is equal to 27. Let us cross multiply. X square minus a square is equal to 27 times 4 divided by 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 4 is 12. So we got the value of x square minus a square is equal to 12.